Today's featured tool is the IPA truck and trailer connector cleaner set. And it comes with 4 different connectors for all of your light duty truck and trailer connectors. This we have a 7-way flat pin connector set. And this has a very nice little cleaner that goes in that has like a sandpaper material on it that slides right into the connector and allows you to clean up the corrosion on your trailer connector. Great time to use it for spray. Alright, this is one of the tools that comes in the set, and this is to be used for your male 7-pin connector on any truck. And as you see, this has got quite a bit of corrosion here from just over the winter and a little bit of salt up here in the Midwest. But you slide this right on here, and it just quickly cleans the corrosion right off.